Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you all tried the homework questions and all which is given to you. Did you try the questions? Integration, definite integrals. Whenever the limits are given, we integrate it and we apply the limit, isn't it? We apply upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, that is the method we have learned. Okay, we learned different types of integration: integration by parts, integration by substitution, integration by parts, integration by substitution. Then the formula method, isn't it? Formula method also we learned. Okay, the next thing we are going to learn is applications. So that is, okay, the next topic we are going to learn is differential equations. Okay, write the heading, differential equations. Differential equations.
Ma'am, new chapter.
Not new chapter. This okay. See, actually, when we get the book only, we'll be able to understand this is a new chapter and all. It is coming in the units. Okay. We have started with the unit. I'll show the syllabus. This is in the unit 3. We are doing unit 3. Okay, because we are not having the book. So is it new chapter and all? We don't. It's coming under unit 3. Calculus, application of derivatives we did, increasing, decreasing, maxima, minima, marginal cost, integration, indefinite integrals, definite integrals, then integration of simple algebraic functions. Primitive functions means simple ordinary direct functions, substitution method, and plot by parts. So in between we have application of integrals by consumer surplus and producer surplus. These two topics, these two applications and application of differential equation, growth and decay model. These two topics, once we get the textbook only, we'll be able to do this too. Okay, application of integrals and application of differential equation. Now I'm going to take these two topics, differential equation, formulating and solving linear differential equation. Is it clear? Is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's write the heading, differential equations. Write the heading as differential equation. So what is an equation? What is an equation? What is the equation? Aishwarya, right? We have learned linear equation. Yes, no, last year we have learned linear equation, quadratic equation. In 10th standard, we have learned all those things. In 11th standard also we learned quadratic. What is the linear equation?
Something that can be written in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Okay, that is a linear equation. So in general, what is an equation? What is an equation? Yes, it is an expression. It is an expression involving constants, variables along with the equal to symbol. Okay, an expression with equal to symbol, we call it as equation. Whenever equal to symbol is there only, we call it as an equation. Okay, suppose I write like this. 2x plus 3y. Is it an equation? 2x plus 3y. Is it an equation?
No.
No, it is an expression. It is an expression involving constants and variables, isn't it? It is an expression involving constant and variables. Suppose I write like this, 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Then what is an equation? 2x plus 3y equal to 0 is an equation. Which are the variables you can see here, Shubham? Can you give the variables here? Which are the variables? Shubham.
Yes,
Shubham?
ma'am.
Which are the variables?
X and Y.
X and Y. Very good. X and Y are the variables. 2 and 3 are the constants. 2 and 3 are the constants. Okay. Now we are going to learn what is meant by a differential equation. Write the heading. differential equation. Differential equation. So it is an equation involving, okay, it is an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable. It is an equation involving, write the definition, Shubham. Differential equation. It is an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable. It is an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable. Okay. Okay, for example, listen children, suppose we are writing like this, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y, d square y by dx square plus 3. This is the differential equation. Okay, this is a differential equation. DE, usually we denote this as DE or D. Sometimes we can see the word here, ODE, ordinary differential equation. ODE means what is it? Ordinary differential equation. In some reference books, they use the word ODE. Ordinary differential equation means same as the differential equation. Okay, now look at your children. Okay, listen. So this is the differential equation. So which are the variables here? Which are the variables? Which are the variables?
Square and
X and Y. X and Y are the variables. What about the derivative? Which are the derivatives you have here? dy by dx, isn't it? Derivative of y with respect to x. First order derivative. What is meant by dy by dx? We are differentiating it one time. When you differentiate a function one time, it is denoted as dy by dx. dy by dx is the derivative of a function. Okay, how many times we are differentiating? Only one time we are differentiating. Is it okay? So here, listen children, should know the definition. What is given here? An equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Whenever we write y is f of x, y is f of x means the variable y depends on the value of x. Is it clear? Y depends on x. So y is the dependent variable. X we call it as independent variable. Is it clear? You should know which is the dependent variable, which is the independent variable. Whenever we write dy by dx, what is meant by dy by dx? Change in y with respect to x. We are differentiating it one time. We are differentiating the function only once. So dy by dx is the first order derivative. In dy by dx, which is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable? Which is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable? Yes, Karthik. Karthik? Which is the dependent variable and which one is the independent variable?
Ma'am,
Ah,
in which question my Wi-Fi was cut?
okay. So when we write dy by dx is first derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx means the first order derivative of y with respect to x. Here, can you tell me which is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable?
X is independent,
Very
Y
good.
is dependent.
X is independent and y is dependent. That's what we are writing. Change in y with respect to x. dy by dx means what? Rate of change of y with respect to x. Suppose I write like this, dm by dx. That means m is changing with respect to x. M is changing with respect to x. So m is the dependent variable. M is the dependent variable. M depends on the value of x. Suppose I write like this, dx by d theta. Then if it is dx by d theta means x is changing with respect to theta, isn't it? So Aishwarya, tell me which is the dependent and which is the independent variable?
X is the dependent and theta is the independent.
Is it clear, Aditya? Is it okay, children? So, what is a differential equation? It is an equation involving constants, variables, along with the derivatives. Derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to an independent variable. Is it okay? So, whenever we differentiate, we can differentiate it one time or two times. Okay, the first order derivative we denote it as, suppose y is f of x. How will you denote the first order derivative? Suppose y is f of x. How will you denote the first order derivative?
dy by dx.
It is denoted by dy by dx. First order derivative is denoted by, isn't it? First order derivative. Okay, note down it. All those things we wrote while learning the derivatives. Again, we write it again. Y1. Or sometimes we denote this as y dash. All these things are same. Okay. Whenever y is f of x, y dash is equal to y1 is equal to dy by dx, which is same as the first order derivative. I am differentiating one more time. Suppose I am differentiating one more time. The second order derivative, we denote this as y double dash or y2, or we can denote this as d square y by dx square, which is the second order derivative, which gives the second order derivative. So what is meant by d cube y by dx cube? This is the third order derivative, isn't it? This is the third order derivative. Third order. Third order means we are differentiating 3 times. Third order derivative means we are getting that one by differentiating 3 times. Now, y4, which is same as y4, which is d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4. That is the fourth order derivative. That is the fourth order derivative. That is the fourth order derivative. So first order, second order, third order, and fourth order. Is it okay? Up to this, is it clear, children? Aishwarya, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, right, okay, what is the differential equation? It is an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. Okay, I'm going to write some examples. Okay, I'm going to write the examples. You have to tell me what is the order of the differential equation. You have to tell me what is the order. Okay, I'll write some example. You have to tell me what is the order. Look at here. What is the order of this equation? What is the order? Okay, we are going to learn the definition for order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation is the order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in that equation. Okay, go through look at the equation, you check which is the highest order derivative present. That will be same as the order of the differential equation. The order of the differential equation will be same as the order of the highest order derivative present in that equation. Highest order derivative. So look at the first one. What is the equation given here? dy by dx is equal to sin x. So what is the order? What is the highest order derivative present there? Aparna. What is the highest order present there? Highest order derivative. We learned when you differentiate one time, dy by dx. If you differentiate two times, it is d square y by dx square. So what is the highest order here? dy by dx equal to sin x means what is the highest order?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the question?
What is the order of this equation? First equation.
Ma'am, is it dy by dx?
Order. What is the order? dy by dx means it is first order
First
derivative.
order.
So what will be the order of the differential equation? Order of the differential equation is 1. Why? Because we are differentiating only once. We are differentiating one time. So order of the differential equation is 1. Okay, look at the next one. D square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the highest order derivative present in this equation? What is the highest order derivative present? Tomlin. In the second equation, what is the highest order derivative present?
D square y by dx square.
D square y by dx square. That means we are differentiating it two times. So what is the order? What will be the
Second
order?
order.
It is of order 2. Okay, order of the differential equation is 2. Is it okay, Aditya Satyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the next one. Cos of dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Cos of x plus y. The cos of dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Here, the derivative is coming inside another trigonometric function. Derivative is coming inside a trigonometric function. Okay. Now, what is the order? Which is the highest order present there? What is the order? How many times? What is the maximum number of times we are differentiating there? Aishwarya.
1.
Yes. Can you repeat, Aishwarya?
1 time.
One time. So order of the differential equation is 1. So the order of the differential equation is 1. Is it clear? What is meant by order? Is it okay, children? So order of a differential equation. Write the definition. Write the definition. Order of a differential equation is order of a differential equation is order of the highest derivative. Order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. Is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. Is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. Okay. Shubham, read the definition for order of the differential equation.
The equation involves derivatives with respect to one variable.
That is the definition of differential equation. My question is, define order of a differential equation. Define order of a differential equation.
Y dash is equal to y1.
Is it that definition or is it an example? Huh? Are you writing the definition? Shubham,
Yes, ma'am.
when the school is reopened, you have to submit the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, tell me, Karthik, define order of a differential equation.
Order of a differential equation is the order of highest derivative present in the equation.
Write it, Shubham. Write down the definition in your notebook. What is order? Yeah, that day itself I told you. Definitions and all, it's more important. Because the definitions will be asked for 1 mark questions and all. So what is order? The order of a differential equation is the order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. Is the order of the highest derivative present in the differential equation. Is the order of the highest derivative. Is the order of the highest derivative. Is the order of the highest derivative present in the differential equation. Is the order of the highest derivative present in the differential equation. Right, the next heading. Next heading, degree of a differential equation. Write the heading, degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. What is the degree of a differential equation? What is the degree of a differential equation? It is the power of the highest order derivative. It is the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, highest order derivative. It is the power of the, write down, degree of a differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative. When this point is very important. When the differential coefficients, made free. When the differential coefficients are made free from radical indices and fractions. From radical indices and fractions. When the differential coefficients are made free from the radical indices and fractions. Otherwise, degree is not defined. Otherwise, degree is not defined. Otherwise, degree is not defined. Okay, what is given here? It is the power of the highest order derivative. It is the power of the highest order derivative. For example, listen children, suppose you are given a question like this. D square y by dx square, the whole square, plus dy by dx, the whole cube, plus y is equal to 9. Okay. So what is the order of the equation? First, whenever you are asked to find the degree, first you find what is order. What is the order of the differential equation? What we have learned about order? It is the highest order derivative present. So what is the order?
2,
Order is 2. So what will be the degree? What is the degree?
3,
Degree is, what is the definition we wrote? It is the power of the highest order. It is the power of the highest order. So which is the highest order derivative present here? D square y by dx square. Isn't it? It is the highest order derivative. What is the power of that one? What is the power?
2.
2. So order is 2. Okay, after removing the radicals, here no root, no. Okay, whenever we have root and all means we should remove it. And after that only you have to check. Is it okay? Karthik? What is the order and what is the degree? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do some examples because these are all some important 1 mark questions. Usually we get 1 mark questions based on this. Find the order, find the degree. That's an important topic. Okay, second question. D square y by dx square plus x is equal to y. What is the order and what is the degree? What is the order and what is the degree?
order is 2 and degree is 1.
Order is 2 and what is the degree? What is the power of this derivative? 1, isn't it? It's 1. So order is 2, degree is 1. Okay, and for this next one, what is the order and what is the degree? Shubham, tell me Shubham, what is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 4.
Order is 4. What is the order? Go through the definition. Order is, what is the definition we wrote there? Order is the yes, Shubham, what is order? Order is the yes, Shubham, what is order? Yes. Read the definition. You read the definition. Shubham, can you hear me? Read the definition from the text. Read the definition. What is order? What is the
Order in
order?
differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the differential equation.
So order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in it, isn't it? Look at there and check what is the order of the highest derivative present there. What is the highest order present there?
3.
Huh? dy by dx, highest order derivative. Look at there, which is the highest order present. Dy by dx is there. Second order derivative is there. Third order derivative is there. So the order is, which is the highest order? Shubham,
3.
3. Okay, and what is degree? Power of this. Power of the highest order. What is the power? Nothing is there, I mean the power is 1, isn't it? So degree is
1.
okay, order 3, degree 1. Now write the next one. Next one. dy by dx is equal to sin x. Okay, I'll give 2 questions. What is the order? What is the degree? What is the order? What is the degree? Yes, Shubham, what is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 1
First one, order is 1,
and degree is also 1.
degree is also 1. Very good, Shubham. It is correct. What about the second case? Aparna.
Ma'am, the order is 2.
Order is 2. Highest order derivative is there, isn't it? D square y by dx square. What is the degree?
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. Listen, children, here we have to note this very important point. Look at here. Inside the cost function, we have a derivative. Isn't it? Inside the cost function, we are getting derivative as an argument. So whenever a differential coefficient comes within another function, degree is not defined. We cannot remove that one. So here, degree is not defined. Is it clear? The degree is not defined. Why? The derivative is coming as an argument. The differential coefficient is coming as an argument inside an another function. So whenever we get like this, it is the degree is not defined. Order is 2. Second order derivative is there, but the degree is not defined. Okay. Now look at the next one. Next one. X dy by dx plus 4 by dy by dx equal to x. x dy by dx plus 4 by dy by dx equal to x. Look at here. Whenever we get functions like this, we should try to remove the power, negative powers, fractions and all is there. Mean we should remove it. For this, what we can do? What we can do? We have here dy by dx in the denominator. Okay, so we should remove that one. So what you can do? We can multiply throughout by dy by dx. Multiply throughout by dy by dx. So therefore, what you will get? X into dy by dx, the whole square, plus 4 into dy by dx will get cancelled, equal to x into dy by dx. If possible, we have to eliminate all these negative powers, fractions and all. The previous problem we are not able to remove, but here what you can do? We can multiply throughout by dy by dx. So the denominator is removed. Now what is the order? What is the degree? What is the order? What is the degree? Chomlin? What is the order and what is the degree?
Order is
Hmm.
1,
1. What is the degree?
2.
2. Order is 1 and degree is 2. That is why in degree, the definition is written like this. Look at the definition we wrote there. The degree of a differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative when the differential coefficients means the derivative terms are made free from radical indices and fractions. Is it clear? If possible, if you are able to remove, we remove the radical indices and fractions and then look at the power and degree. Is it okay? Is it clear? Now write the next one. Next one, y is equal to x dy by dx. Okay, this model is important, children. Plus a into root of 1 plus dy by dx, the whole square. What is the order and what is the degree? What is the order and what is the degree?
Degree is 2.
Degree is 2. What about order? First we fix the order and we will be able to give the degree. What is the order here?
So order 3.
Third order derivative is present here?
No.
No. Then how you are saying order is 3? Which is the highest order derivative present there? Which is the highest order derivative present there? Yes, Chomlin. What about the highest order derivative present? Which is the highest order derivative present there? Chomlin, go through that equation. Read the equation. Chomlin, children. Chomlin, can you hear me? Read the equation, Chomlin. Chomlin, did you copy that equation?
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am, choose me.
The last question, which one we are discussing? This one. Y is equal to x into dy by dx plus a into root of 1 plus dy by dx, the whole square. What is the order and what is the degree?
1.
Why it is 1, Shubham? If you are saying 1, why? Give the explanation. Aishwarya, tell me Aishwarya, what is the order?
Order is 1 and degree is also 1.
Order is 1, degree is also 1 is wrong. Why? Look at the derivative term dy by dx. Is it coming within the root function? Is or no? If you take dy by dx, is it coming inside the root function? So we should try to remove that root. So for that, what we can do, listen children, this model is important. What I am going to do, I am going to take this x term to one side. 1 minus x into dy by dx is equal to a into 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Now what we can do, I want to remove this root. So in order to remove this root, we square on both sides. Square on both sides. When you square on both sides, you will get y minus x into dy by dx, the whole square is equal to a square into 1 plus dy by dx, the whole square. Y minus x into dy by dx, the whole square is equal to a square into 1 plus dy by dx, the whole square. Shivam. Okay, so now expand it. So when you expand this, we will get y square minus 2xy dy by dx plus x square dy by dx, the whole square, equal to a square into 1 plus dy by dx, the whole square. So now you're right. Now we have removed the root, isn't it? Now whether we have removed the root. Yes or no, Aparna? We are squaring on both the sides and we have removed root. So now write down what is the order and what is the degree. Karthik, what is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 2.
Order is? Yes, Shubham, what is the order?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Why? How you are getting 2 or 3? Tell me how you are calculating. You are doing the mistake again and again. You are counting this and you are saying how many times it is there. Is it like that? Huh? Is it like that you are saying? How you are getting 2 or 3? Tell me, Shubham. How you are getting this 2 or 3? Shubham, tell me how you are getting this 2 or 3. Let me check. What is, Yes, Shubham. How you are getting 2 or 3? Shubham, how you are getting this 2 or 3?
Yes, ma'am.
How you are getting that 2 or 3? How you got that one? You tell me. Let me check what is the okay. What is the what is the concept you got wrongly? That one you have to correct it. Yes, tell me, Shubham.
Ma'am, I count how much is times.
It is not like that. How much times it comes? How we have to do this? You look at the function. First order derivative, is it present? First order derivative means one time we are differentiating. And you check whether second order derivative is present. First order derivative means dy by dx. Whether dy by dx is there. Check second order derivative is there. What is second order derivative? How will you denote the second order derivative? It is d square y by dx square. Whether second order derivative is present? Is it there, Shubham? Is it there?
No, ma'am.
No, isn't it? So the highest order derivative present there is dy by dx. Only one time only you are differentiating. The highest order derivative present there is this dy by dx. only. Is or no? Huh? It is dy by dx. So what will be the order? What is the order? Order is 1. And what is the degree? Aparna?
Ma'am, 2.
What is the highest power? Look at the power. So here the power is 1. Here we have dy by dx the whole square. Here also we have dy by dx the whole square. So degree is 2. Is it okay, Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time you have to give the correct answer. Okay, children, copy this one. After that, I'll give one more question. Try to give the answer. Do these questions again and again. Okay, in this model and all, we have only few questions. All the questions now we are discussing here. So do it again. Okay, write the next one. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole cube is equal to log y. What is the order? What is the degree? What is the order? What is the degree? Yes. What is the order and what is the degree? Shubham, what is the order? Order means highest order derivative present there. So what is the highest order present there?
2.
2 is very good. Okay, correct. What is the degree? Power of that one. What is the power of that one?
3.
Yeah, look at here. This is the highest order derivative, isn't it? What is the power?
2.
D square y by dx square, isn't it? We have d square y by dx square. What is the power? Suppose I write like
1.
this 1. Suppose I write like this means order is 2. And what is the power? Outside the bracket on the top, what you are writing, that one only we call it as power. So here, the degree is, what is the power? Nothing is there means it is 1.
1.
So degree is 1. Okay. Aparna, are you getting this answers? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole cube equal to log dy by dx. So what is the order? What is the degree? What is the order? What is the degree here? Aishwarya.
Order is 2 degrees 1.
Order is 2. Any other answer? Degree? Karthik, what is the answer? What degree is here?
Undefined.
Not defined. Okay, Aishwarya, notice here we are getting a differential inside and another function. Okay, so we will not be able to remove that one. So we say degree is not defined. Okay, so children, in the next class, go through all these definitions. Okay, we end this session now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.